Hello again. This time I'm going to be a little bit more specific when I look at an invitation. I might type in birthday invitation. The others were kind of for big parties. Maybe I just want to do a birthday invitation. These look fun. I don't know if I want all that black background. Maybe that's just to show some of these other things. Let's try the black. We'll try the black one that says, "It's party time." Woohoo! Customize. So the next option down this side is elements. So let's click on elements. And it gives us some options along here. Maybe I don't want this note anymore. We'll take it away with the garbage can this time. Maybe I want this sparkly star. I can shrink that with my arrows. Come back over here where the note was. See, so that counts as an element. Look at all of these elements you can change. Pictures, graphics, stickers. Ooh, sound. You can put sound in here. All kinds of elements. Here, maybe it's a boring party. We're going to eat peas there. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe no peas at the party. Take a few minutes and experiment with some elements. It might be better to try on just a blank invitation. Oh, look, what's Animate? Let's look up here. I know you can make things dance. Or when you send this to a person on their computer, it will download in that order. Ooh, that's fun. Take a few minutes and experiment with some of these fun animations and elements. Ooh, let's see what basic means. Oh, basic's the one we did. Let's try another one. Ooh, neon. Ah! That's going to give somebody a headache. Okay, give it a try, guys.